Here is a low-floor truck that is designed to speed up the cargo loading process by using ramp at both sides. It adopted rear-engine rear-drive layout in order to avoid the transmission shaft running underneath the middle compartment. Fans were placed underneath the rear compartment to create necessary airflow for engine ventilation. Internal hydraulic forklift that travels up and down was also installed to connect the rear compartment with the side ramps. Both ramps are foldable to fit with different ground levels. As the noisy engine is taken away from the front section, spare tires and gas tank can now be placed underneath this new quiet cab. Are you ready for a closer look into this new design now? Let's dive! The truck has two cargo compartments at different height. Cargo can be rolled firstly to the lower compartment in the middle via the ramp. When cargo needs to be stored in the rear compartment that sits on top of the engine, the internal forklift can raise the cargo such that both compartments are at the same level. After the cargo are all pushed into the rear compartment, the forklift can be lowered to resume loading of remaining cargo into the forklift. When the loading process finishes, the ramp can be unfolded to secure the cargo. The truck is then ready to transport the cargo to the destination. When necessary, both side ramp and tail lift can be operated independently to speed up the cargo loading process. In situation where the side ramp cannot be lowered, tail lift can still be operated alone with the cooperation of the forklift. The cargo compartment can also be accessed via the side doors at both sides. I hope you would enjoy this episode. Whilst I am moving on to the next innovative design, please feel free to share your comments and stay tuned. Bye now.